Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I've made, and this is a bee themed journal. The kit that I've used is from ARTYmaze and I will link that below, so go over and check that out. It's Traveller's notebook size, which is 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. There are 60 pages front and back in this. What else? This will be listed in my shop. The link for that will be below as well. So I've used this cardstock that I got yesterday, and it's from this pack here, which was from the range here in the UK. I don't know what it's called, Vintage Dreams, and I used one that kind of looked like it had a little bit of a wood effect, so I thought I'd use that. I've used my tag and pocket template, and I will link that below as well. It's a free template I have on my blog, so if you want to get that, you can go over and save that. So I've used some of ARTYmaze's paper to decorate the pocket. This here was actually at the top of this piece, but I cut it off and put it down here. And I've used this image here, again from ARTYmaze. I think this was actually from her Bee Ephemera kit, wasn't actually from the journal kit that I've used. So we have this string and eyelet as a closure, and we have some pom-pom trim and some crocheted trim on the pages. So let's go inside. Let's make sure I'm in frame. Inside covers are just plain white. I've sewn the designer card onto white cardstock. The kit itself that I have isn't a Traveller's notebook size, but I've incorporated it into that size of a journal, just using some of the pages that look easy enough. Well, what's the word? They're adjustable enough to make into it. So we've got a pocket here, and in the pocket we have a tag which I've sewn onto some tea or coffee dyed paper. We have a journaling card here. We have a mason jar and a little envelope with a double journaling card inside there, and that all just pops in there. And I just put some burlap on the top of that tag. It's just was one of the pieces that I wasn't going to use, but I just thought I'd pop it in there because I like the 3 bees on there. Some digital music paper. Here we have a journal card from the kit, and then this was just one of the pages from the kit, and I've just folded it so it's a little tri-fold there for additional journaling. The crocheted trim, hunted Heinlaw for my bee stamp. I knew I had one. Took me about an hour to find it, and I didn't actually because I didn't put it back in its packaging. And I've got a tub that you know, when stamps just don't stick to anything anymore, like they don't stick to their packaging, and I just throw them in the tub, and that's where it was. And I'd forgotten all about that little tub because it's kind of out of sight, so I'm glad I found that. I've used a window envelope here, just stitched that. This little banner here is from the kit, and I made some tags and done lots of stamping with that bee stamp. Tag from the kit, journal card from the kit, and the mason jar. I will put all that back in a minute actually. We have a flip out page here, and we have a postcard from the kit. We have a flip out additional journal space there. A little bit of paper noise for you there. And I will just pop that on there. We have a doily, and then this brown, this was actually gifted to me. It's like a wax brown bag, so I've used that. Some more stamping. Little journal card here, sewn onto coffee dyed paper, and then a flip out here with a postcard with a bee and an envelope. all from the kit. Here I just made some large journal cards there. This is one of the pages from the kit. I just folded that in half, and I just made a little index card, done some stenciling and some stamping. The pom-pom trim, some more stamping, centre of the signature, more stamping, a little pocket here I made, and we have another tag and an index card there. We have a large pocket there with the tag in there, and then I just popped this piece of ephemera from the kit on there. We have a library pocket from the kit and the library card, and I just stamped the B on there. Postcard from the kit, large tag, some more stamping, lots of stamping. The other side of this paper bag, the doily. Here I've made a pocket with a belly band there and put the mason jar inside there. We have journal card. Oh, didn't realise that it kind of messed up there a little bit. Journal card, large tag, again it's been sewn, doesn't want to go in, and large tag that I've made. Some more crocheted trim. Here we just have a mason jar, another one of the pages from the kit. It's just been coffee dyed and folded, and another big journaling card there. And we have a flip here with another envelope from the kit, and another flip out page here. So that is the journal, and that is the back, so you can do lots of writing on there. So it is quite chunky, but there is lots of places to write. Like I said, the links will be below. This will be listed in my shop. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.